Good morning, YouTube. All right, here we are. It is Monday, the 6th of October. It is time for the New York session, where we're going to trade some gold and some gold futures. How about that? How about that? How about that? Now, why aren't my lights working in here? All right, well, we don't have the lights, but we do have the camera and the action. So let's do it. Hello, hello. Which camera? Which camera? All right, here we are. Why am I moving that? I don't want to move that. Okay. Keep that about right there. Okay. Let's get the Zoom room going. Okay. Let's see what we have here. We have our charts out of order. How did this happen? Yeah, we got the VIX in the right place, we got the 5 minute in the right place, we got the 1 minute in the right place, we got that in the right place. Okay, the only one we don't have in the right place is this one. But that means we're gonna have to take them all down, put them all back in the right place. All right, let's get this music turned to what we want for getting into the groove, for being disciplined traders. What have I done here? I need to take this one down, right? That one's not down, come on. There we go. All right, there's the VIX. Now the next thing that goes up is this one. Then the 5 minute. Then the 1 minute. Then MT4. And now we're ready to go. Okay. Price seems to want to be coming down. This red hot moment. Overall, we've been going up. We hit a new all-time high overnight. It's always interesting. Okay. So if we look here at the 5 minute chart, just to take stock of where we are, we take the indicators off, we see that price is sitting right now, right on top of the WR1, actually just a tiny bit below it, right on top of it now. That's the WR1. Right below that we have the DR2, so we've already come up quite a ways because the only daily pivot we have left above us is the DR3, and right above that the WM4. So the question will be here in the New York session, can we get up to this DR3 and the WM4, or are we going to be coming down from here where we already are? We can see that price is in an uptrend here on the 5-minute chart. Looks like it's in a downtrend only on the 1-minute chart. Everything else is in an uptrend right now. If we switch this to the 15-minute, certainly that's in an uptrend as well. Yeah, okay, so back to the 5-minute, just to keep things simple here. We're sitting right now on the WR1. We've bounced off of it 1, 2, 3, about 3 times. This will be the 4th time we're bouncing off of it here. Looks like that's what's happening right now. Even though we did wick below it not too long ago, right around 6 a.m. New York time. So what we're going to do here, we're going to see, we had a very bullish run overnight from the Asia session. Even the London session was bullish. And now we decide if the New York session follows suit or reverses the trend. New York likes to shake things up and reverse things a little bit, so that might be what happens right now. Okay. I'm going to fix one thing with my webcam. Be right back. Okay, we have 1 minute for 7:30. All right, was I able to change that? Yes, I was. Let's see if we can do this and what view we get. There we go. Turn it down just a little bit. There we go. And turn it just a little bit this way to get full effect there. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to turn the lights down and get into the trading groove. All right, let's put price in a box, because that's what we do. All right, so this morning's box goes from about right there to right there. That was a pretty big box. Well, I guess it's about 4 pips. No, it's about 11 pips. More than that. 13 pips. No. So, something like that. That's a little much. Don't want such a big range. So we're going to put that maybe right there. Call that our range. Okay, and what are we going to call this range? This range is going to be Monday, New York, opening range. Okay. Now we have to be extra careful today because I don't have the built-in stop loss. And that will come back to bite me in the ass. I just need to make sure that that doesn't happen today. All right, so let's start taking stock of what we're looking for here. Now, as said, all right, if we go up, we have room to trade up. We could trade up out of the range that we're currently in, all the way up to this resistance here and possibly to this resistance here. So that's a good trade all the way up. On the way down, probably need to get below this swing low here. And then we have some room to trade down from here to here. Now it says here on the MT4, we don't have any big supports or resistances anywhere in our vicinity. Just the pivots, moving averages. So we'll see what price wants to do, right? Okay, we're moving up out of that zone, so we might be taking a buy here, actually. Earlier than expected, but a buy nonetheless. Yeah, that's why we wait for confirmation. Okay. Now we're going. I'm in a trade. I will be exiting if it goes against me. I'd like it to be going a little bit more decisively in my favor, but I'll take what I can get here. I belong to a Telegram signals group, which is kind of a scammy group, to be honest, but they just sent a sell signal.
Good morning, Mike.
Hey, Rock, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. How was vacation?
It was great. It was
Yeah?
great. Yeah.
Yeah? Nice.
Yeah, not easy to readjust to. Yeah.
I bet.
What I miss? I'm kidding.
um, yeah. Did you gain some Italian weight? Eat
Gain
some
some
pizza?
Italian weight now.
Some
No.
pizza? No?
Yeah, I ate all you could eat. Drank and smoked all you could. It was fun.
That's good.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm in a trade right now. I'm trying to get out of.
Good.
I,
Okay.
hang on. Hard for me to concentrate.
Yeah.
I thought we were going up, but market says we're going down now. And it's given me a bigger loss than I like to take, so I think I'm just going to exit. Come on back.
You want me to do the bet?
Get out. That was painful.
You got out?
Yeah, I got out. I took a loss. Yeah.
Okay. Yikes.
Yeah.
It's tough. Okay. Going through the support here. Wow.
Yep.
That's gotta mean something. Did everybody do well with all this madness?
I think so. Yeah. There was one week that was pretty bad, but the other ones were okay.
That's good.
Now it's gonna do what I wanted it to do.
morning.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. How you doing, Tono?
Rock, what's up, Mike? Rock is back in the house. How's the
Yeah, man.
vacation, man?
As good as it gets, man.
Yeah, where'd you go?
I went to Italy, went to Puglia and Calabria.
All right, nice.
Pretty remote. Yeah, it was great.
Were you out there 2 weeks?
Yeah,
All
just over
right,
2 weeks. Yeah, it was great.
nice, good for you, man.
Nice.
This market is insane, Mike.
Yep. Yep.
It's insane.
Yep.
Creates higher highs like cutting through butter.
Yeah.
You know,
Yep. Yep.
unbelievable. It really is.
Did you guys buy yachts yet?
Not yet, man. But dang, it's just cutting through like butter. It's got to have a retracement. Telling you, this is insane.
Mm-hmm.
I thought we would go up a little bit, but not this much today.
Yep.
Wow.
Well, let's see if we get it over the New York session. That's what's really important. You know.
Let's see what happens here. We've got 8 o'clock in 40 seconds.
Come down. Okay. Please don't. Wow. Holy shit. Wow.
That's the 8 o'clock candle.
Mm-hmm.
The music's just a little loud. Like,
Okay.
good. Thanks.
Yep.
So the dollar's weak, gold is weak this morning. might start to it might start to pay to do the London session. That's where the action's been at the last couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Like, I'm disappointed in the New York session.
Well, because there's no U.S. news coming out.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Granted, that is still a Monday. We have to take that into consideration.
Yeah.
And we have no government running. So what do we, and it's already did its move, basically.
Yeah, well, we'll see. I mean, it's not even. I mean, I guess it's just 7 minutes after 8. But yeah, it is. You can kind of tell it is one of those days.
Yeah. What's your volume indicator telling you?
Right now, there's good volume in the market.
I can't find that volume indicator.
The one that I have is the Elite Algo.
Oh, it comes with Elite Algo.
I use I use the Elite Algo one on all of my charts except the 10-second chart, the 10-second futures chart. On the 10-second futures chart, I use the one that we talked about yesterday, the volume delta.
Right.
And then
that's Elite Algo?
No, that one's just a trading view.
Let me see what chart this is. I haven't used any of my
That trade would have paid me now.
You were thinking about getting in there?
I got into a buy the last time it was at this level, just a little bit before you got on. And
right.
and then it ended up going through my non-existent stop, and I ended up taking an over $400 loss on it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You got to get that stop loss back on there.
I know, but I don't know how to do it. I gotta figure out. If it happens to me again, I'm stopping trading until I figure out how to do it. But otherwise, I'm gonna get in touch with. I mean, I can't figure out a way. You know, that you just have to manually place it after you get into the trade. But that's a pain in the ass. I mean, I guess it's what I will do if that's my only solution. But it really cramps my style.
Right.
We going up here? Like, I want to take this. We get through this swing high.
It's going into the resistance on the 1 minute Akanashi. So I'll be careful, it might get rejected.
Yeah. I think this is gonna go.
You know, let me give you some quick advice. It's 8:17, right?
Yep.
We haven't seen the market do much of anything yet, so there's no rush to take a trade.
Yeah.
Even if it's gonna go,
Uh-huh.
pace yourself like the music that's playing, nice and slow,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because even if it broke out right now, I wouldn't have taken that trade until it came back and proved that it went somewhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
I would let it go the first time,
Yeah.
let it come back down to 39.40,
Mm-hmm.
and then I would take it the second time around because
I,
this time gives me more confirmation that I'm right,
I see.
especially since you don't have a stop loss on it. Because if you're wrong, that's another 100, $200, $300, $400 gone,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
So it's not a it's a marathon, not a sprint. So
Yeah.
you don't have to be in first. You know, you
Okay.
don't have to get in first. Just
Yeah.
pace yourself, nice and mellow, right?
Okay. Yep.
The music is mellow. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Pace yourself, breathe to the music, trade to that music, right?
Okay. All right. Okay. Good
Because
advice.
and I know that when it really breaks out, you don't have to guess it. It's
Yeah. Yeah.
it's there, and
Yeah.
you can ride it. That's when you can go fast in and just go balls to the walls. But right now, this is pace time. This is
Yeah.
just breathe, slow breathing, relaxing.
Yep.
Let's just see what the day brings. It's only 8:17. It's the beginning of the day. We got 3 hours
Yeah.
for the right move,
Yep.
right?
Yep. Yep. Okay.
We're snipers. We want to take somebody out. We're gonna sit here patiently.
Yeah. Okay.
In worst case scenario, if it never comes, we didn't lose any money. I just realized I have all these algo indicators that I paid for life. I haven't been using any of them. I don't even know if they're even worth it.
Elite algo.
I have I paid for Algo Pro.
Hmm.
It's just another one of the just it's very similar to Elite Algo, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I see now it's running down.
Yep.
This is what I'm talking about. When you see the Renko breathe like that, now we're looking at something. Oh, the other thing I noticed that you did too, you're doing, is you're creating a bias already
Yeah.
that it's going to go up,
Uh-huh.
right? this is the trade we should be taking.
Just hit support on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
That was the COMEX open.
This is a jerky market right now.
Yeah.
We're back to 35 where we kind of started, where I started.
Yeah. Right there in the WR1.
WR1, yeah. And if you look at the 5-minute Hakanashi, you could see that it hasn't chosen a direction yet
Yeah.
for the New York session, that is.
Mm-hmm.
E-Man, you in?
Yeah, I'm
You
here.
don't, you don't even
Yeah, I'm
say
here.
hello. What's wrong with you, man?
I I just got on. I've been up working and doing stuff
Okay.
here. Yeah, and I was getting everything situated, getting my water.
Yeah, you hear you. How'd
Yeah,
your doctor's appointments go?
everything. Hey, hey, I'm looking at myself on YouTube with y'all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I said I was gonna. I see him handsome on here too. So yeah, everything went good, man. I had colonoscopy done. I ain't have no polyps, nothing. But
Good.
I got 3 ulcers. So now they gave me medication for that. I knew something was going on with my stomach.
Oh yeah, do something with that. I had 5 bleeding ulcers at one point in my life, man.
Yeah, I didn't even know you can get rid of ulcers until yesterday.
There's a lot of misinformation on them. Some people say it's caused by virus. Some people say it's caused by what you eat. Some people
Uh
say it's caused by stress. You know, look at this thing. It's the bias is going down now.
There you go.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Let's see. We're coming up on. We got a minute to come up on the DR2 at 25, so we can trade that. It's hitting a swing low
It's breaking through it
on
though.
a 10-second. Yeah.
Breaking through it though.
hey, Tono, one thing you said earlier that I was in such agreement with was you said that you ain't gonna need you're gonna know when it's a breakout.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, like last night. My goodness, that thing shot up, didn't it?
Oh, you was watching it?
Yeah, I made a little money in it. I
Okay.
jumped in and played with it.
Good.
And then I went and watched the game. I don't know why I did that. I left so much money on the table. Thing shot up about 40 pips.
Yeah, it's doing it over the Asian New York, Asian London session is where the money's at.
Yep.
Yeah.
Lately, that's definitely where the money been in the past month or two. Yeah, I hate when a Monday start out like this.
Yeah, this is choppy.
Yeah.
Yep, very choppy. You think it's going one direction and it's totally turn around and go the opposite direction.
You can just see the wicks on the 1 minute Hakanashi. You know, just whips on up and down, up and down. You can just see the wicks on
Take your YouTube off because it's giving feedback on our mic. E-Man.
or just mute it.
Yeah,
Yeah, just mute
I
it.
had it muted, but I accidentally took it off. I was about to say something. I realized my phone was still playing. Mike, you ain't got no old school car, man?
What's that?
Got an old school car? We got cruising close down here right now, man.
I don't have an old school car, no.
Yeah, man, go and get you one. Come on down here to this red state.
Seems to have a hard time breaking 30, 39, 30.
Yep.
Can't believe we're at 30. We reached almost 3950.
Yeah.
I can't
Yeah,
believe
see
that.
4,000 before you can blink your eye.
That's
Yeah.
what I was saying. Yeah, we definitely finna see 3,500. The way things going, I think gold gonna hit 10,000.
I don't hear anybody predicting that anytime soon. But I bet it does someday.
Well, let me tell you this, man. When I started trading 5, 6 years ago, this was unheard of.
Yeah, it
You
was
know?
at 14, 1,300
Yep,
when you
exactly.
started.
Yep, it was at 1,300. Then it dropped all the way down to 10 to a
Yep.
thousand. And think about it, Mike. In the past 2 months, it has went what, $300?
Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. Yeah. It just.
It was at 3,000. What, in July,
Yeah.
August?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is an unheard of rate. It's moving like this. I'm not sure I like this. you know.
Yeah.
You gotta like it. It's great for us when it moves.
Unless you have
Well,
unless you have
what I'm saying
hedges that the
is,
rate coming back to.
Yeah,
Right.
that's the problem.
Yeah.
let's see. When we first started, well, when I first started, you was getting 20, 30 pips every day. It was staying in a range. You know what I'm saying? But this is like out of the hemisphere. This is going straight up. You don't know if it's going up, then it'll turn around and fall 70, 80 pips. And then, you know,
Right.
everything is big movements when it do move. It's just like trading in the morning times ain't worth it. We need to really trade in the morning time, like at 3 a.m. in the morning.
It looks like it wants to go down, but it's choppy a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, Tono, were you able to get rid of your ulcers?
I did. Took a long time, but I was able to.
Did you drink aloe vera gel and stuff like that?
Man, I did everything under the sun, man. I was the main thing that got rid of them was what's called a sippy diet, where for almost 4 months I didn't eat anything that wasn't white.
That wasn't white.
Yeah, like rice, mashed
Uh,
potatoes, no gravy. You couldn't put any kind of seasoning or anything. Milk,
mm,
you know.
yes. Somebody told me yesterday do goat milk and something he added with the goat milk. I forgot.
Yeah.
Tono, that's your dog?
No, sorry,
Mike's
that's my dog. Yeah, sorry about that. I'll mute my mic.
Nah, you get what kind of dog you got?
She's a cross between a boxer and a pit bull.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a very sweet dog, but she when she hears people in the hallway, they come up to get the garbage or whatever in the back hallway. You know, she barks. She thinks like she thinks she's a guard dog, even though
Yeah.
anybody she saw, she'd just run up to them and lick them. Uh,
Come on by. Let's go to 58. I thought it was gonna go to 58 last night, man. The way it was climbing, it just stopped for no apparent reason.
well, 50, the psychological number. It stopped at 39.50.
Yeah. I think it was, let's see, did it go to the 40s? Yeah, it went as high as 44.29 last night.
Went up to 50.
Yeah.
How you doing, E-Man?
What's up, boss man? Made it back from the grave, huh? What you got going on, man?
Not much. Not much.
Hey, your 2 weeks went by fast, man.
Yeah, they went by fast.
Where'd you go again?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
Okay, what part?
The south, Puglia and Calabria. It was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, I need to go on over there, man. I had two of my other partners just come back from over there. I'm like, what's going on over there, man? I need to go find out, see what y'all got going on.
Not much, man. It ain't Mississippi, I'll tell you that. things aren't as great as Mississippi.
Hey, not especially during this time of the year, man.
Yeah.
I just asked Mike if he had an old school car, man. We got cruising the coast down here right now. Y'all come on down.
What's an old school car? Like no power windows or something?
Oh man, any and every car that man has ever created is here. I'm talking about you will see something like that. I mean,
oh yeah, no, absolutely.
yeah, you will see any creative thought that a person can chop a car up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, look it up online, man. You'll see it. It's called Cruising the Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, it lasts for like a week and a half.
Yeah.
Do any of you remember being at an age where you rode in the back of your parents' station wagon
Yeah.
with the window down and the
Yeah.
gas fumes were coming into the car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
They were killing us, didn't even know it.
yeah, if you remember, man, a lot of old school cars, the bottom where your foot is, the floorboard would rust out. Man,
Oh
I
yeah.
remember riding with people. I used to hate that, man. And you seeing the ground as you ride, I'm like, this is unhealthy.
Had some Fred Flintstone shit.
Yeah. It's like, how does the bottom rust? How does that part rust out? And nobody seemed to care back then. Cold, everything coming up through there.
Yeah.
Tell you what, it's rough being poor, man.
I don't know. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme.
Your feet was dragging the ground in that one too. Remember the LTDs, man.
Ford LTD.
You know, I look back on them cars, man. They were so ugly and terrible. It's like, who designed this stuff? Like,
Yeah.
I'd be wondering, like, you see the designs of today. Like, why didn't they think of that back then? Why did they come up with these big old boxy cars? It seemed like it would be more practical to start with something like smaller than so big. You got all this
They
trunk
didn't have
space.
the machinery to bend what they do today. Everything was
Yeah.
steel. You had to bend it a certain way.
Yeah.
Is that why?
Yeah.
The machinery back then, it would
yeah,
bend
I just
real
figured,
steel.
Yeah, I just figured that, they didn't have the mentality of conservation, so gas mileage wasn't a thing, so they didn't really have to think about
Right.
aerodynamics. And,
True.
they had big V8 engines that guzzled gas but could take the car pretty damn fast. And,
Yeah.
America, you got big wide open spaces and big wide roads. Why not have a big wide car? The more the more room, the better. It was the thinking,
I
I
was
think.
telling my partner that the other day. I got a '04 Dodge Hemi truck. It was a show truck in its time, and he just bought a brand new Dodge Hemi, but it's a V6.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, most likely your V6 has more power than my '04 V8 Hemi. And I said, so I looked up mine. Mine's like same, 5.7 liter, but I only got like 300 and something horses and 330 horses. His
Yeah.
V6 got like four something right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a total different ball game, bro. These little Maximas and Toyota Corollas will outrun any muscle car from the 70s.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
the horsepower they put, and like I told the same guy, never race a Tesla. I don't care what type of Tesla it is.
Yeah, no, you can't beat an electric car.
No, man, I was riding a Lamborghini, man. My partner got a Lamborghini and a Tesla. So we get in the Lamborghini, man. It's like literally riding a rocket. My daddy a pilot, so when we used to take off, the G forces that ping you in the seat, and then once we get up, we'll climb and climb and climb. The G forces that pressure pins you to the seat, and
Yeah.
then we would take a nosedive in the plane. We'd make sure our seatbelts was off so we can float up to the ceiling and all that type of stuff as kids. But yeah, that was fun. But that's what that Lamborghini reminded me of with the G-Force. It literally took and put so much pressure in my ear I could barely hear. So then
Yeah.
we went and got in his Tesla, and it was the identical thing. It moved, it got to 60, the identical speed. Now, in our heart, we want to believe that on the top end, the Lamborghini had beat it. But man, I didn't feel no difference. The same G forces, everything was there, bro.
Yeah. But there's a switch that you not a switch, but it's a thing you can turn off that boost that it has,
That
because
launch.
yeah, it's not even a launch. There's one for launching, but you can put it on a smoother ride, because if you leave it like that year round, you burn your tires out
Oh,
like
I
like
believe it.
that.
I believe it. It's too much power. Boy, that is a lot of power, man. That is just pure power. That it springs you, man. It's a different feeling, bro. Man, once we got to 130 miles an hour, we was there so fast. I'm like, dude, stop. Let's just get out of this.
Yeah.
If I got another partner who got a brand new Corvette, and we go get on the interstate and we running 130 miles an hour. I mean, you feel but that Corvette didn't pull the same. It did not pull the same as that Tesla, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that Tesla and that Lamborghini
Because there's no gears to shift.
and that Tesla.
Yeah, there's no combustion. You don't have to. The gas doesn't have to combust to make power. To convert it to power. It's
Right.
just an automatic shift for the motor.
I said, well, this is fun. This is fun to have. And then my partner Tesla is it just looks like a grandmother's car. And you
Hmm.
better not race it. Grandma gonna beat you to death out here in this car.
It has no style to it.
None. I don't know. The only one got style is what's that car? That Plaid.
The,
I
the
like
plaid is the plaid's the same. It's
Yeah, I
just
like that. It got a nice little look to it. Now that truck, I like the truck, but that it's a little funny looking. Did you ever get your truck?
no. I canceled my truck when he started fucking with Trump.
No, man, don't do it like that, bro.
Oh yeah.
Go on drive the thing, man.
Nah.
Hey, you could have just gave it to me, bro.
Got rid of that thing. I go cancel my order. Pronto.
Is that really why you did
Yeah.
it? Now you
Yeah.
ordered that truck like 4 years ago.
I was one of the first people who put an order in for it.
Yeah. Then you have another electric car?
I have a Tesla, but
But it ain't no Cybertruck.
mm. It was funny. There's a Mitsubishi actually has created the Tesla back in 1980, the Cybertruck in 1980, but it was a regular car.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
So they just took the body, stole the idea of it. Isn't that crazy?
Huh. Yeah.
I looked at that Chevy EV truck last night, the Denali. Man, they want 85 or $87,000 for that truck. I said,
Everything expensive though.
yeah. I said, yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing is looking at it.
Yeah.
Man, that's all I can do is look at this thing. I haven't graduated to the EVs yet. I haven't just accepted it all the way.
Yours might be the last generation who learns how to drive.
Yep. Next, cars ain't gonna even have no tires. It's gonna be hovering.
They have figured
Everything
out.
gonna be like the Harriet.
They have figured out how to do that, but you have to have like a track below it, right? That's under the surface, kind of that provides a magnetic layer.
Oh yeah, like
with everything that's going to hover, you're never going to be able to go off road with it. You're just going to be able to go on the roads where where they have that stuff laid down.
look at the photo I just sent to the group.
Huh. 1987, is that for
Crazy.
real?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Are you sure that's real?
Where'd you send it to, Tono?
Yeah, that's real.
Huh.
You sent it to the chat?
Yeah.
No, to your phone.
It didn't come through here to me.
Your text message.
Nah, mine didn't come through yet. Y'all gonna jump on that buy?
Yeah, that's not real, Tono.
You don't think it's real?
No, I just looked it up. It's
What does it say?
I'll put it.
Hey, send it to me.
I'll put it in the Zoom chat.
I'll send it to you, man.
Hang on, I want this to go
Coming
through.
down.
Hey, if these pictures was taken in Tokyo, it's real.
Mike must have did a deep search, so it's probably not real.
Yeah, no, it's not real.
What's it say? Because I don't want to.
Yeah, it says that there is no vehicle known as the Mitsubishi Cybertruck from 1987. The Cybertruck is associated with Tesla. Mitsubishi did have some pickup truck offerings in 1987. One is the Mitsubishi Forte, the Mitsubishi Mighty Max, and the Mitsubishi something else, but none of them look like the Cybertruck. I think that's just... Are you in a trade now?
I'm in a
I
buy.
am.
Yeah.
I'm in a buy.
I think I'm going to get in a buy too.
Yeah, I'm up 3 pips right now.
Might be tired out though now. Think it has more in it?
It's possible. It is coming up on the resistance, but it got a little ways to go.
I don't like this. All right, I gotta stop.
You have to stop, huh?
Yep, it's my 2 losses. Who's in cells?
I didn't take it yet. I got out of my buy with profit, but I didn't take the sell. I should have took it.
Yeah, I ain't think I dropped it far back.
Selling.
What up, boss?
What's up, baby?
Well, man. So you got this Cybertruck I saw, huh?
Yeah.
All of us bought one, man.
Alexa, stop.
Hey, bro. We're gonna have to come to your house, man. Check on that Lexus woman that you always hollering at it in there. I think y'all married.
Those are alarms. It didn't go up much. It went down.
Did you watch it yesterday? Last night?
It was a 39, like 34 or something like that.
With open
it went
at
up.
what,
Went up.
88?
It
Yeah,
went up a
open.
lot over to
Yeah.
London, I believe.
Yeah, it went up.
Is it 5 o'clock out there, AB?
6.
Okay.
You put a couple trades in down this morning
Yeah, I got a couple good trades in.
because it looked like it was up and then it dropped. So you probably put some sells in then.
I sold it and then I took a buy just now when it started to run. And I'm out of the buy now. I'm thinking about trying to see what it wants to do now. It's kind of teetering on in between buy and sell.
I'll mute this for a second. Hold on, I gotta place a phone call.
Go ahead.
Let's see, we got a untested at 39.40.
39, where?
40? But it passed that, right, earlier?
It went up to 39.49, almost 60. I guess 39.50 you can call it, which was an all-time high.
Again.
So, again, exactly. It's not playing games. It's just not giving it to us on the New York session, I guess, because Mike said earlier that we have no government right now, so there's no news. So it's been doing its bigger moves over the London session.
Yeah, because I saw one link last night was at like 39.32. I think that's when I went to bed.
Yeah.
So it went up probably almost 20 pips while we sleeping. I thought we got into a bide a little bit.
Be careful because it hasn't picked a direction yet.
No, right. I'm seeing that because it's kind of sideways
Yeah.
between 41 and 29, down between that time. Put in a buy.
No, I didn't trade. It'll be one of those days.
Looked like it was going down and then back up again.
Yeah, it's choppy. You don't know, you can't really get on either side of it because it can flip on you in a second.
That's the sideways. I hate
Mhm.
when it goes sideways. I think it's gonna stay. It goes past this, maybe a buy.
There's a, let me see, is there a pivot? Yeah, 39.35 is WR1. So if you're going to buy it, wait for the break above that.
Like that song, back and forth and forth, back. And
Yeah.
oh, bye, huh?
Still choppy.
I'm gonna put in the trade. Who
What
put
are
a
you doing?
trade in?
A buy?
Yeah. No, I didn't put one in, but someone put one in.
Buy then.
That was me. Sorry, that was me getting out of a buy. I was doing an experiment on one of my accounts. I don't know if I was on mute the whole time. I had said that I was getting into a buy just to test something on my trade copier.
Right.
But I wasn't suggesting anybody get into that buy with me.
I didn't get in. About to. I guess you got to stay up in the middle of the night and trade, no?
Yeah.
Might be better than what we're doing here. Bum, 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 bum. 6 minutes to 9:30. See what happens. Nice 3-pip drop.
Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna run, man. I got some stuff over here, some to finish up with this inspection, man.
Okay.
They sent me a list of things to do in the house, so I've been on the phone contacting everybody.
Go do your thing, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you get in that Cybertruck, man, the 87 one.
That's what I'm gonna drive over here, man.
Hey, that's what you need to be driving in Mississippi with all them shootings, man. You know, I watched the Tulsa Kings last night. He that's how he lived. They shot up that truck. They put him in the trunk, and it was bulletproof. He survived it on TV at least.
Yeah. I watched that, man, a couple months back, the whole series. I don't know how I feel about him playing that role. He don't play that role that great to me. I guess I'm so used to him being the action hero.
Man, that's your boy, man. He a Trump supporter.
Who?
Well, we
Stallone.
good on we good
Stallone.
on the we good on the personal level, you know.
Well, that's till he run to New York and start grabbing them Italians, taking them back.
Yeah. So Tulsa's in Mississippi?
Nah, that's out there in Oklahoma.
Oklahoma,
Tulsa
right?
Kings. Tulsa Kings. Good
Tulsa
series.
Kings, yeah.
I think I'm getting on a buy here.
All right, man. I'm gonna see y'all later, man.
All right,
All right,
have a
man.
good one.
All right.
I would wait AB until there's some clear direction, man.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Okay. At least I can reach out to Paramount. So fucking frustrating.
What's wrong, Rock?
I'm trying to get my W-2s from all these production companies for the last 2 years.
Oh, wow.
And because of COVID, they make it next to impossible. You have to verify everything.
Oh, yeah.
So I got to get my taxes done for the last 2 years.
These must be bots battling it out with each other because this is just too
That's what I'm thinking.
jerky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking the exact same thing. It's got to be bots, you know.
Reacting and overreacting to each other's moves and shit like that.
Yeah.
It's just going to be more and more of that going forward.
Granted that it's still a Monday, so I'm giving it some kind of some leeway to, you know.
Yeah. What the heck just happened here? I didn't enter any trade, and now it looks like... What's going on here?
Well, I did some push-ups and sit-ups while I was waiting. trying to get in shape like Rocky, man, over there trying to be an actor too. Yeah, I do on the side.
There you go.
I got in on the buy at 33.
Yeah, that's good. It just ran up.
If it goes past this 39.41, you gonna jumping on the buy here?
I don't like the resistance on the 5-minute Hakanashi that is coming right up on.
Just
So if it
blasting
breaks
through
that
it.
resistance, yeah,
It's going through it right now.
it might be worth taking a buy at that point. Yeah,
I think I'm going.
I'm in.
I don't like it.
I'm out already. You guys stayed in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it goes. You guys should be in profit now.
Not yet.
I got a little bit. I'm about to get out.
Be careful. Look at the daily pivot chart. That resistance on it.
Yeah, I'm about to get out of it a little bit.
Motherfucker.
It's gonna go back up.
Come on, motherfucker. I don't think it's going back up. What do you think, Tono?
I will probably be out by now if I were you guys.
There you go. You can get out now.
Hitting that resistance now. This is a rough day to trade, man.
Is it breaking through? to sell?
I got into a sell.
Back up.
I'm going to reverse this and see what happens.
It's really fighting right there.
Yeah. Got resistance on the 15-minute Hakanashi on the 15-minute daily pivot, and the 5-minute, it's just holding it down. Man. It's not letting it go up.
But it's going to go one direction soon because you got about 4 or 5 candles right there at 39.45.
Yeah. Yep. I'm just watching. Yep, I think we're reaching the end of the line here. Yeah, no, I'm still down, but I'll see if I can make it up tonight. All right, let's call it. All right, all right, I'll catch you guys later. All right.